Welcome to the course of unfolding your story. You're going to sprinkle little bits and pieces of your story over the next 30 days. For the next 30 days is the first 30 days for the rest of your life. This is a long-term thing. But you're going to be unfolding it in a way on your social media that's going to inspire all kinds of conversations and to help you grow your business and equip you to start making some money along with all that. So here's some quick tips for getting the most out of this course, okay? Because I don't want you to take this and not get any results. So here's my suggestion on how to get the most out of all of this stuff that's coming up. First, read the reading material. It won't take long, but it's really important because I want to set your mind right and give you good expectations and for you to know what you're going to have to do. Second, know that it's not going to take a lot of time every day. You could do it in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, a half hour a day, whatever works for you, or spend more time than that if you want to. The next thing, and the most important thing actually, always be hungry to learn. Whenever something doesn't go right, you make a mistake, you don't get a desired effect from whatever you did, look at it as something to figure out. If you're hungry to learn, then every setback, every mistake, every whatever, every wrench life throws at you is just something to figure out. So always be hungry to learn. Those are always the people who do the best. That's the common denominator, always hungry to learn. It keeps you consistent too. If you consistently are hungry to learn, it keeps you consistent. And consistency is going to give you results. So, also, in addition to all of that stuff, when you're sharing your story, it is so freaking important that you are having fun and that you're also being vulnerable. And there's a lot of training and examples that I'm going to give you about different ways of being vulnerable, but in a way that's authentic and true to you and reflective of your truth. So as you're sharing your story, it can't be this annoying, perfect, everything's perfect all the time. Because nobody relates to that, and it's not even true. And I think you already know that, so maybe you just need to hear it just to, make sure that you know what you know is right. So you want to be vulnerable and be real, but always with a positive aim, because at the same time, you don't want to be a Debbie Downer, so to speak. Something bad happens and you're just looking down, and there's no positive angle on it. You always want to have a goal, an aim of something positive, an aim of, we're going for a solution, something to figure out whenever something goes wrong or you make a mistake. It has to be some aim with a forward trajectory while you're being real at the same time. Call it real optimism, whatever you want. That's going to be super important as you're sharing your story as it unfolds and you're taking all these lessons. So every day, go into it with that mindset of I'm going to figure it out, I'm going to be real, and I'm always going to have a positive aim, because those are the kinds of people I want to attract into my life, not just into my business. Forget your business. You want to attract good quality people in your life in general. So this is really like a life course in that aspect. So that's what I want to give you as you do this. Every day you're going to be given education, you're going to be given homework, you're going to be given examples of how you can do the homework, and you want to change it and modify it so it reflects who you are, your truth, and how you talk. So those are my suggestions to get the most out of this course. And as you create success, please share it with me. I'd love to hear about it. Eventually, I might, make a testimonial page. Maybe I'll feature you as a featured story. Who knows? So please share with me as you create your own success. And thank you so much for participating in this and putting this to work so that it can work for you. Okay? Bye for now, and I can't wait to hear from you. Mwah. By the way, if you dig my styles, go look at more of my training programs and see if there's something else out there that you would like to do once you complete this one. Do them all if you like. If you like my style, you'll probably dig all of my trainings, and that's at TomBurkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media, TomBurkenmeyer.com. And you can go to my products area and see what else I've got that you might like.